Tandoori Rottesteri chicken is all ready.
Yep.
Joel is going to try it.
Yep. This is okay. Eat it. Okay. Very
Good?
good. Yep.
Me?
This tastes very good.
Thank you, Joel.
Yep.
Good evening, Joel.
Good evening.
What are you making again?
Making a rotisserie chicken fry by tandoori paste.
Wow.
Tandoori chicken paste.
A long time, Joel.
Yep.
Long time.
Yep. Long time.
Yeah, you have tandoori paste and
Yep.
you have lime, right?
Yep.
Very good. Yeah. Joel had an off and he's cooking and he's such a blessed child.
Yep.
God bless you, Joel.
God bless you too. Love you too.
Joel.
So this tastes very good.
Really?
So hope you love it.
Mm-hmm.
Hope you like it and subscribe it.
I know.
So, yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Yep.
Yeah. Rotisserie tandoori.
It's called Tandoori Rottesteri chicken.
Wow.
Yep.
That's good. It's easier. Just buy the whole chicken, cut it into shredded pieces,
Yep. And
and
put the tandoori paste
uh-huh.
and put the roasted garlic and herb
Uh-huh.
and black pepper
Uh-huh.
and lemons.
Ooh, that's yummy.
Yep.
Okay, thank you. Boy.
It's almost getting like ready. That's right.
Oh, looks good. Smells good.
Yep. Smells.
Chicken.
Rotisserie chicken by tandoori paste.
Oh.
It's called Tandoori Rotisserie chicken.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep.